Hello guys, Top Boy here again, and I'm here with this new update. I'm gonna be showing you guys this website that you can mine BNB coin, and you can also do some simple tasks from this website and earn more BNB. They pay directly to your wallet, so you can, if you don't have a crypto wallet, you just have to create one. It's very simple. So I'll go direct to the site. I don't want this video to be too long, so here is the site here. As you can see, and my balance is 0.000.4 BNB. You don't have to do much here on this website. You just have to register, sign up on this website, and leave it to do the job. But I'm gonna show you some little tasks you can do to earn more, and most especially like this referral program here is a very good way to earn again. Like there is this milestone that you're gonna try to achieve, so they will pay you so amount of BNB coin if you can refer 3 people, so you will achieve this. As you can see it here. So as you can see, referral level, like you get, the more you refer people, you'll be upgraded. Your referral level will be upgraded. As you can see here, level 1, you earn 10% commission of people you refer direct. So there is this level 2 here, 5% people referred commission by your referrals. You can see people you referred, if they refer people, you're gonna earn 5% of their commission. Like as you can see, the more you refer people, the more like it's like a community. If your community is growing, you'll be getting more commission from there. So that's what about this. Let me show you this place, that the bonus here. As you can see, it's here how to complete. Step 1, click start task to get your verification code. Step 2, share your post on X, Twitter. Step 3, copy your post URL and submit with your wallet address and join the free BNB. As in this step 3 here, the post, when you share the post on Twitter, you go to the post on Twitter and copy the URL and submit it here. After that, you will submit your BNB wallet address also, so they can pay you directly. It's very easy to use, no big deal here. Just have to come here and click on this start tags. As you can see, start tags, they will tell you you can share directly here. They will share it directly to your X account. After that, you come back to the website and you copy the URL code and come back to this website and paste it. Then you go to your wallet, your crypto wallet address, as in your crypto wallet, and copy your wallet address, the BNB wallet address, and paste it here so they can pay you. Let me go back to the mining page. Let me show you where you can look at this place, payout. This is where you can see the amounts they are paying people. As you can see, people are withdrawing. Let me check the time. Look at this now. It's November 11. Today is November 11, as you can see. So people are withdrawing massive on this website. So you just have to sign up and leave everything, the rest, and start referring people. So your mining rate is gonna boost. You can even upgrade. If you want to upgrade by yourself, you can upgrade your mining, your level. So but I don't advise, I don't like putting money on this website because most of this website don't last. It's actually paid now, but by, let me say, like before 6 months now, most of this website, I'm onto many websites that they just pay in the first 6 months and finally crash. So I don't like advising my subscribers to invest in all these websites. So but you can withdraw from this website free of charge without investing anything. That's why I'm posting this video. So here is it. Everything is on this website. It's very easy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I post a video like this, you will be the first to get the notification. So I will be posting the link on this video description, the link to download, to sign up, the sign up link I mean. And I'm like, if you don't have a crypto wallet, I will post a link also, because I normally use Bybit and I have BitGet also. Those two crypto wallets are the one I mainly use. So I will post the link, but I don't know, most of my subscribers have crypto wallets, so I'm not gonna go through that. Just if you don't have, just go to the Play Store or Apple Store and download either Bybit or BitGet. It's very easy to register. You can sign up with your Gmail and everything is okay. Thank you guys. Subscribe to my channel.